In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reconcile in Xero without bank feeds. If you don't have an active bank feed connected, or you're waiting for approval from your bank, you can still fully reconcile your transactions using a simple file import method. This process essentially replicates a bank feed by uploading your transaction history manually, and it works just as effectively when done correctly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to download your transactions, import them into Xero, map the fields properly, and complete your reconciliation smoothly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical Xero accounting guides. Now, let's get started. The first step is to log into your online banking account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your transaction history for the bank account you want to reconcile in Xero. Look for an option to download or export your transactions. Most banks allow you to download your statement as a CSV file, and some also offer OFX or QIF formats. If you have the option, CSV is usually the most flexible and commonly used format for Xero imports. Choose the correct date range that matches the period you want to reconcile, then download the file to your computer. Once you have your file ready, open Xero and log into your organization. From the main dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Accounting, then select Bank Accounts. You'll see a list of all your bank accounts connected to Xero. Find the account where you want to import the transactions. On the right-hand side of that account, click the three dots, or select Manage Account depending on your layout. From the drop-down menu, choose Import a Statement. Now you'll be prompted to upload your file. Click Upload File and select the CSV, OFX, or QIF file you just downloaded from your bank. If you're uploading a CSV file, Xero will ask you to map your columns. This step is very important. You need to match the columns from your bank file to Xero's required fields. Typically, you'll map the date column to the date field in Xero, the transaction description to the payee or description field, and the amount column to either the debit and credit fields or a single amount field depending on how your bank formats the data. Carefully review the preview on screen to ensure the transactions appear correctly, especially the amounts showing as money in or money out. After mapping the fields correctly, click Complete Import. Xero will now upload those transactions into your selected bank account, just like a live bank feed would. Once the import is finished, go back to your bank accounts page and click on the account to open the reconciliation screen. You'll now see your imported transactions waiting to be reconciled. From here, the process works exactly the same as if you had a bank feed connected. Xero will attempt to match imported bank statement lines with existing bills, invoices, or transactions already recorded in the system. When you see a correct match, simply click the green OK button to reconcile it. If there's no automatic match, you can manually create a new transaction, allocate it to the appropriate expense or income account, add a reference if needed, and then click OK to complete the reconciliation. Continue working through each transaction until all statement lines are reconciled and your bank balance in Xero matches your actual bank balance. That's it. Even without a direct bank feed, you can fully maintain accurate and up-to-date records using this import method. And that's how you reconcile in Xero without bank feeds. It's a simple but powerful workaround that keeps your bookkeeping moving without delays. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.